Alright, I'm about 3,000 miles into the Lionhart LH-5 tires on my BMW 5 Series. They are the 19-inch 245 40/19s. They are so far performing pretty well. I'm liking them a lot. There are some things I don't like, but let me show you these tires a little bit more closely. So the Lionhart LH-5s have been a good tire for me. They've been wearing very evenly without issue. They're pretty good as far as the compound. It actually feels to the touch a little bit soft, so I'm curious as to how long they are actually going to last, especially in a heavy car like this, and with my driving style particularly. I drive 5 miles an hour over the speed limit type of driving. I really enjoy aggressive, semi-aggressive driving, taking turns quickly and having fun out on the road. So we'll see how long they last, but they are a Z-rated tire, and I was able to get the extra load version of these, and I definitely needed that for this car because this car is 5,000+ pounds and needs that extra strength. So as this car came with run flats originally, I really don't like the feel of run flat tires. I don't enjoy it, that super stiff sidewall. So number one, I had to get extra load for the tires because as much as I read about it, they are required for the weight of the vehicle. But also wanted to hopefully have like a stiffer sidewall with the XL, and I'm not sure if that's the case or not, because when I am driving a little bit more in a bit more of a spirited way, they definitely flex a little bit. They don't have a super stiff sidewall, and that kind of has been a bit of a bummer, but it's quite all right. It's still a really enjoyable tire. You can see the profile here on the side. It doesn't have much in the way of wheel protection, and you might have seen as I was walking around the car that I have a couple of rash areas to be repaired. The roads around here have been undergoing a lot of repaving, so there have been a lot of edges and drop-offs and things. It's been interesting. But the tires look good, they feel good, they ride quiet, pretty quiet, and I really like their tread pattern. It's, of course, some of the coolest tires out there are things like the Michelins, the Pilot Sports, Super Sports, and they have a tread pattern that's kind of similar. Of course, they are much more advanced tires, but you can see the multi-tread pattern here on these tires, and they are a directional, so that more smooth channel faces towards the outside. I have, as you saw in some of my other videos, I have gone through some significant water with these, and they've done very well. But dry driving is great. On super hot days, I do feel that that more of a flex, that more of a fade, especially around nicer long sweeping turns. You can feel that a bit, and so they don't have the super high performance of the more expensive tires. But for me, for daily driving and for fun weekends, these tires have been performing very well. So if you have any questions, just let me know what you'd like to know, and maybe I can figure it out for you, or if you need to see something differently on these tires, I'm happy to help answer your questions. So thanks so much. Please subscribe, and watch out for more videos from Theory Garage.